Hi everyone, this is Dr Wendy Sweet from My Menopause Transformation, and I have a question for you. If you've arrived in your mid to late 40s and early 50s, have you found that your joints are sore? Are your knees aching, or you're sore under the soles of your feet around your arches? Perhaps your legs and muscles are aching too. If this is you, then you aren't alone. It's the question that I ask women who attend my live seminars around the world, and it's the one question that gets a gasp from the audience because so many of us don't associate our joint health with menopause symptoms. When the same thing happened to me, I was really confused and also in a lot of despair because I couldn't do the exercise that I wanted to do and that I had enjoyed doing for a number of years. I've been exercising all my life. Like many women in their 50s and early 60s, I had no idea that arriving in menopause, my changing estrogen levels would affect my joints and muscles so much. I became quite concerned that I wouldn't be able to ski and do all the exercise that I had really enjoyed for years. It was this exercise that helped me cope over the years, helped to maintain my weight, and helped my mental health as well. That's why I was amazed when women on my healthy aging doctoral studies were telling me similar stories. So I decided to look into it, and I'm so pleased that I did, because what I learned is that estrogen has a role to play in our joint health and in our muscles as well. When estrogen levels decline during menopause, we have to be changing our lifestyle to accommodate the changes to our tendons, joints, and our muscles. Estrogen is involved in the lubrication of our tendons, and so our joints can become a bit dry. But there's a fabulous compound in extra virgin olive oil that helps to replace the role of estrogen and to keep our joints well lubricated. That's why, as part of the My Menopause Transformation programs, I have a module called Restore Your Joyful Joints. Numerous women on my programs love this module. So what I've done is I've recorded it for you as a standalone product, and I've teamed that up with fitness foundations from the Rebuild My Fitness program. If you have sore joints, aching knees, or painful feet, then please join me to restore your joyful joints. Go to the drop-down link on the website to the Restoration Series link to purchase this fabulous program.